Okay, so figure 1-1 is the building blocks of financial success. So, the first, you start at the bottom. There's a second one that's designed with what a traditional student in mind. A traditional student is someone who goes directly to college right out of high school, or somebody who starts attending even in high school, but the non-traditional students are people who go to work first, and you may have joined the army, you may have gone and worked, any number of places, and then at some point later in life you come back. So anyway, so the foundation: use your regular income to provide for your basic lifestyle and savings. So you start with your base. You have checking, savings, money market, insurance. Insurance is really important. Taking advantage of your employee benefits. So talk about this a lot this semester. I believe less than 40% of employees take full advantage of their employer match on savings accounts. I realize some people may not be able to do so, but 40% sounds like an awfully low number to me. We have to learn to do without certain things, so that we can prepare for the future. So, and that's what we're talking about. So, and then you establish short-term, long-term goals, keep organized financial records, prepare a budget, and keep an ongoing budget. Emergency savings fund. We used to say 3 months, but I think that's totally unrealistic anymore, because in today's world, it's the idea is that you'll be able to find a new job in 3 months. Depending on what you do, that may or may not be the case. So manage your housing expenses, transportation, insurance expenses, income taxes, contingencies, and so forth. Then deal with credit cards, loans, savings, education costs. Then we invest in mutual funds, stocks and bonds, real estate, so forth, retirement plans. And those are the building blocks for financial success. The next one's a lot smaller. As I mentioned, it's designed with a younger person, a non-traditional student in mind. So, must-dos: meet your financial obligations, make your payments on time. The worst thing you can do is to fall behind on payments. That's going to affect your credit score. You don't have, and you if you're younger, you're unlikely to have a credit history, which if you start out bad, then it's going to haunt you for a while. Contribute to your 401k, at least up to your employer's match. Save for whatever goals you have: vacation, wedding, so forth, vehicles. So the wise moves: pay off your credit card balances every month. It's fine to use them, but credit card interest will kill you. It's very hard to pay 21% interest and be successful. So employee tax reduction strategies, get all your insurance, so forth. Make sure if you're a renter, make sure you have renter insurance. Make sure you have good quality auto insurance, so forth. There's a lot of crappy companies that provide financial services, and insurance companies are among them. Next, pay off your student loans, invest in Roth IRAs. I would say that's a financial decision, Roth versus traditional, that you need to evaluate on your own, depending on your tax benefits. If you're earning high income, a Roth makes a lot of sense, because the benefit associated with a traditional IRA, the deductibility goes away. So you're better off to go ahead and take advantage of that. So And then next makes plans for your financial security over your life. So, all right. So next we have the concept check for the 1.1 for the first is 5 fundamental steps in the financial planning process. Evaluate your financial health, define your financial goals, develop a plan of action, implement spending and saving plans, monitor and control your progress, and then review. So you start over. Distinguish between financial success, security, and happiness. Financial success is achievement of your financial aspirations. Security is satisfaction about your money matters. Financial happiness is being comfortable that your resources will be sufficient to meet your needs and most of your wants. And then what are the building blocks to achieving financial success? Go back to figure 1.1. All right. So next we'll start out on the next lecture on the economy.